That was nice. Look like you've done this a few times, man. You done tree work before?
Say what?
You done tree work before?
No, we're teaching.
Ah, off to a good start, man. Yeah, it was perfect. Good roping, man.
That was perfect. So you see how you let it run so it didn't shock.
Alrighty, thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, guys. So we're in the south now, and we say "sir" a lot down here. It's like one of the pinnacles of Southern culture. Beautiful, really is. And some people take it pretty serious. So I'm just trying to teach you guys how to tie something with one hand without failing. Holy smokes. No one hand tying. Just use two hands, man. Club with a slip. Good? Good to go?
Yeah.
All right, anyway. Alright, just do a little rope management here. Make sure I can access that lower D lanyard nice and easy. I did bring a friction saver with me, but I'm not using it. Make this so much easier climbing back up. But once I wear in this climbing point here, that'll be just fine. Okay, so I'm gonna do that one, then I'll come back to this one, and then I'll go and grab that backside. Start loading that zigzag. Yep. Okay. Here they go again. Okay, quickly. Whew. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Oh, that's fine, man. Yeah. You know what make it nice and easy to manage? If you throw it in that rope bag.
All right, sounds good.
Yep. Yeah, that way you just toss it in there and not have to worry about it.
Good.
Yeah, go ahead and take that slack out. How many wraps you got?
One good one.
Nah, go one more, man. This one's a little more hefty. Was that too much?
Yeah, it was just a little. No, the wrap. We had 2 wraps. I think we could have been with 1.
Oh, okay. My bad, man.
No problem.
I just kind of got a little scared.
You're good.
So a little heavy.
Keep down. Keep down.
Yeah, I guess it wasn't as big as I thought
Right there.
originally imagined.
Do not lower down just yet.
Hey, man, maybe I just sent them bigger. All right, let's go. Send them bigger.